picture in my video. We tourists today. Okay, y'all, so tell me why I've been out there. I already literally got a tan. Look, I came back to put on a swimsuit because I literally did not wear a swimsuit. So me and my cousin about to go back out there, take some pictures and get in the water. But your girl really been working a little bit. I ain't where I want to be, but I'm looking hot. I gotta change court, baby. This was my photographer over here. Cause baby, we have to get it done. Thank you. Look at this water. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Wow. So we are back from Costa Maya. I just changed, did a little freshen up, put a new top on, same little joggers or whatever. I feel like I'm getting black, and I got a tan already. Look right there, you really can't see it, but I can. But anyways, about to go grab some food. I'm about to go see if Guys Burgers have an Impossible Burger. My cousin told me they did, but we gonna see, because it's not advertised on the menu. If you look it up, it's literally not even on there. Let me turn this down because I'm really competing with the freaking volume of the TV, y'all. We watching HGTV. It's actually really good, but so yeah, I have to go do this. I'm probably gonna get in the pool a little bit. I forgot the bottoms to this, so I'll just wear this anyways or whatever. Such a fun day. Such a fun day. I didn't get to talk to y'all this morning because we was rushing, and I don't even know why, because we was rushing, y'all. Why wasn't none of our family out there? Literally, you know, it's a boat time and it's a phone time. So my phone is with the boat time because I'll be like on the Wi-Fi with the port, so I think it go with it. My family, their stuff, let me see, we supposed to meet up at 8:30. It was 7:30 their time, so we was on the boat time, which is 8:30. Why we sat and wait like an hour and a half, baby, nobody wasn't even there. But anyways, so yeah, about to go get food. What day is this for? Let's see what this paper say. Wednesday. But what day is this? Is day 4? When did it come on? Saturday? We're on day 4, so yeah, I think I'm gonna just really get a burger, chill in the pool if it's not too crowded, which it probably will be. Hang out for a little bit. I'm going to bed because I really want to get up and shoot some pictures and stuff and get some more content. But we gonna see. But it's been very relaxing so far. I love the, what is it, the unplugged. I love that. I could have bought Wi-Fi, but did I tell y'all Wi-Fi was $125? And there's another package for $150. Baby, that's monthly Wi-Fi that you pay at your house. I only done pay $70 for Wi-Fi. So now, I love the unplugged type. It's been really, oh my gosh, it's been so great, so great. So let me show you. I bought my let me show you what I bought. I'm just gonna show y'all what I bought my niece and nephew real quick, because they don't need nothing, but they can wear these to school. My nephew, he knows all his animals. And then look, y'all, how cute. So he got this one. Then I got my niece this one. My kids, as I say, this is a dolphin. She don't know her animals and stuff yet, but it's pink. So how cute. Oh, that's a dog. That's a seal. Anyway, so yeah, I got this. I got a boot, a freaking cute little Aggie shot glass giggle, but it's I think it's rolled up. And then, oh, let me show y'all what I got. Oh, here it is. I got my mama. Yes, I am aware that she is not here, but I'm gonna go put this on at the cemetery. Let me show y'all, cause my girl would have been her. So let me show you. Let me show you, baby. How about them Cowboys? Of course. So it's wood, but they put the resin on top, and it's a magnet actually. But I'm gonna sit on the headstone or whatever. What? Y'all didn't tell me it was upside down. So yeah, super cool. I haven't got my sister nothing yet, cause she be like, don't even bring me no junk or whatever. So I don't know if I'm gonna get her something tomorrow, cause she's been to Cozumel. We went on the other cruise. I was gonna get some t-shirts, cause we like to throw on a t-shirt, but I don't know. Her kids ain't got nothing. But we gonna see. I be feeling bad because I'm the only people I don't get stuff for. Y'all, how freaking cute is this? Look at this. Stop playing. Giggle. Are you kidding me? Look at this cheetah. I thought this was so cute. So yeah, I don't spend my little money too much really, but you know, it's worth it or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go eat. I'm gonna let y'all know if they do got an Impossible Burger. If not, I'm gonna get a tuna fish sandwich. Everybody been raving about this tuna fish sandwich, where on like the sandwich place or whatever. So either one, I'm gonna try to make a comedy show, and I'm gonna try to like go relax up top, because I have not been up top, and they got a ride up top, y'all. If y'all haven't, but by now y'all probably have seen, because I'm gonna do a tour video of like touring the boat, so y'all probably done already seen it anyways. But later, oh, and then I did get this souvenir. I'm about to probably gonna put some orange juice in it in the morning, but yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, today wasn't much. Well, it wasn't much when I got back. We just sat around like the pool, talked, chill, and see, we ate again, and that was it. Y'all, I'll be so tired of waking up so early, and then you do so much in the day. Your girl be out, and it's literally like 10:30, but I'm about to go to bed because so the other 2 days I was going to be like at 3, but no, we getting out tomorrow about 8, so I got to go to bed, y'all. I am tired. I'm about to take a shower, and I'm about to be out. Good morning. Oh, baby, no. Good morning, y'all. I need some cough drops, so don't even worry about my voice, but we are headed to Cozumel. I was this close to not going. I'm tired. I just cannot keep waking up early like this. It's like 8. You don't even know if it's 8:30 yet, but OOTD, just a little romper, a little colorful romper. Supposed to wear it last night to 80s night. I did not make it. I'm tired. Got my little bag I bought the other day, $10 at the gift shop. How about to at least go get me some orange juice, and I guess we gon' get off the boat. I don't know if today is the day 4 or 5 or even 6. I honestly, you can't keep up with days, but let's go. Y'all, why? I got deodorant on my arm. Hold on. Why? We done found this a little spa, y'all. I'm doing this again, literally. It ain't that many on my feet today, but it's still relaxing. And they said they was gonna give us some massages. Pookie didn't do it. So weird. It's a good feeling though. feel like I'm black. Look at this deodorant on my arms. It's so nasty. I just bought me some earrings. I'm about to put them in. And they got Wi-Fi, y'all. Wi-Fi. Yeah, I just got some earrings a while ago. This is my mama birthstone, the purple one, wherever it's at. And this one's just really cute. $10. I don't know if y'all can see it. My ears might be dirty, but my budget is done for today. I already owe my cousin $30, y'all, because I didn't have no cash. But I think these are super
They have these pieces in 25, so all
cute.
The walls pay the price.
So yeah. Hello. Yeah. Without being loud. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. Can't go nowhere. He says my turn. It's our own place. Yeah. Gonna go see if I can find some other folks. My cousin in the room taking a shower, about to go to bed. And they have Aquaman on the screen tonight, so I think I'm gonna go see if that's good or not. Let's go.
Doesn't like to take down a legal cage fighter too. But for everything I get right, something else gets screwed up.
Okay, I feel like so far y'all really seen me in like 4 outfits. Let me just go back to my. But and then tell me why my hair, why is my eyelash outside of my lap? Like, I'm about to take them off. They look good from afar, but why did I put a piece of my eyelash hanging at the top of my actual fake lashes? Don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I've had on like 4 different outfits today. It's because I shot some content. My cousin helped me. Shout out to Jordan Nicole. And so I just did 2 looks or whatever, because it's soup. When I tell y'all I wanted to do a little bit more, maybe like 2 more, but I didn't have my earrings on. I had a watch for that. It's just so hot and there's so many people, and I was gonna do it myself because I got my tripod like right there, but it's so many people. I feel like my tripod will be in the way or whatever, and I was gonna get up and do it really early this morning. I just couldn't get up. I'm a little messy bun, so I'm about to put my shirt back on because we got our shirts. We're wearing our shirts today, well, not the last day, but the last day on boat or whatever. So we'll probably take some pictures. I'm gonna take this off, but this is so cool. But I had yellow earrings to go with this. I had them in my bag, forgot to put them on. The heat just play with your mind. And I had lipstick and I had a wash to go with the outfit, but whatever. Aquaman was really good last night. I fell asleep a little bit because I was tired. But it was really, really good. It was long. It was like 2 hours. I finished watching that this morning. We went to brunch. Me and my cousin I'm in the room with, we went to brunch, and then I went and got the rest of, because you know, like with cruise you put your money on the card, so I went and got the rest of my money that I didn't spend off my off this card or whatever. Shot content, had ice cream twice already today. I at least maybe want to get it 2 more times because ice cream, bye. At the very end, probably tomorrow, I'll probably do like a whole recap and try to remember what I could tell y'all, like do's and don'ts, must-haves, stuff that can make your cruising easier. This is my 4th cruise or whatever, so I know a little something, you feel me? What else? I'm about to go get me a burger one last time. Oh, and I don't know if I told y'all, but the Empire, man, the burger is fire. They don't advertise it though. I don't know why. But you know, guys, burgers, I used to eat one every freaking day on the last cruises before I was, 2 cruises I wasn't vegetarian or pescatarian on, and then the last 2, this one and the one before I was. But I think this is the first time that I've known that they have the Impossible, like a veggie patty. I don't know if it's Impossible, but it's a veggie patty. So when I found that out, I've been getting them every single day, and they fire. Like, I love them. I'm gonna give me 1 more today, sadly. I tried the brunch this morning. It was alright. It just had, it was like a 7 out of 10. Just not too many options. It was good though. I'ma get, well, I got a to-do list, y'all, of the things I need to do. I laid out last night on the top, so I may go to a company shop that got one tonight. If not, I really don't care, but I'm gonna get another burger for sure. Probably 2 more ice cream cones. That's really it. I'm good. So next time y'all might see your girl, she might be at home. I don't know how much I want to shoot tomorrow. It's been cool. Like, I shot a lot. I definitely feel like I could shoot more, but I'm not mad like where me like vlogging took so much out of my trip. No. I feel like I vlogged literally just enough, and I literally still enjoyed everything. I really only feel like I only vlog like 20%, and I'm so happy about that. Like, because I still enjoyed it, y'all. I needed this vacation. But anyways, I won't end the vlog here, but either next time y'all see me getting off the boat, at home, whatever, and I'll just do like a full recap, and then that'll be it. See y'all tomorrow.